Welcome to a special edition of Hughes Performance Tech Talk with Dura-Bond. Dura-Bond's been in the business for a long time. If any of you have any engine building background, you might be familiar with their products. Their premium camshaft bearings and valve seats are used in a wide variety of OEM and performance engine builds. What some of you may not know is that they also specialize in premium transmission bushings and bushing kits and are actually expanding their product line into the high performance arena as we speak. They already do have quite a few performance oriented bushing offerings for transmissions and are now going back into some of the earlier models like the Power Glide, the Turbo 350, the Turbo 400, the C4, and offering even more expansive, comprehensive offerings in their individual bushings and bushing kits. We at Hughes Performance have been working with Dura-Bond for right at about a year right now, and we have to say their bushings are next level. There's really nothing else in the market like them. The precision of fit, the precision of clearances, the overall durability, longevity, and wearability of the bushings, it's just second to none, quite simply. So we've been installing Dura-Bond bushings in our transmissions and in our transmission overall kits now for, like I say, about a year. We've been doing it in the 4L80s, we've been doing it in the 700R4s and 4L60Es. They do have some 400 bushings that we've been using. Ford 6R80s, really nice kit there. They have quite a comprehensive offering, and like I say, they will be offering the complete kits for Power Glide 400, 350, and C4 platforms soon. In the Dura-Bond bushing offerings, they have what we have here. This is a dry film coated bushing. They also have PTFE coating options, and of course they have the less expensive non-coated bushings. In any of those circumstances, you're getting quite an improvement, quite an upgrade over conventional bushing architecture and materials. All Dura-Bond products are made in Nevada, right there at their facility, right here in the USA. They have total control over it, start to finish. Quality control is second to none. Every bushing they make is manufactured out of premium one-piece tubing. They don't have any wrapped and tanged or tongue and groove type bushings like what you see here with this offshore bushing, which is unfortunately pretty common in the industry today. We'll do a close-up on that you can see, but there's a tongue and groove lock where this bushing is just a wrap that's constructed. These can pop loose, they don't always give the best press fit, and really it's just what we've been stuck with for years as transmission builders, and Dura-Bond's fixing that. They also offer bronze bushings for certain applications, like this bushing here. This is used in the Turbo 400 stator tube and the sunshaft. Also fits a Power Glide stator tube for a turbine support bushing when needed. Again, premium one-piece bronze tubing, no seams, no tongue and grooves, no wrap, precision machining, precision tolerance. You really just can't beat it. We prefer to default to the PTFE coated bushings in our product line wherever they're available. As well as the dry film coated bushings. The coatings add an additional amount of lubricity between the bushing and the shaft or the hub. It also offers greater embeddability, reduced friction, lower temperature operating on the bushing surface. It's just a win all the way around. I will say that the coating, like with any performance-oriented coating in a transmission or engine, is wearable, so as you put miles on the transmission or drag racing usage or however you're using your car, you are going to see this dry film or PTFE have a little bit of wear in it if you ever disassemble it, and that coating is going to eventually wear off. But we're talking thousands and thousands and thousands of miles or hundreds of passes down the track before you'll see any significant wear in that coating. Being that it's a bushing, it's obviously already a wear item that we're dealing with, and so during a routine freshen up, chances are you're going to be replacing bushings anyway. What we've noticed in our transmission builds with these bushings is that we get 100% consistent press fit with every single Dura-Bond bushing that we've installed. A lot of times with these offshore bushings, they'll fight you. Sometimes they're a little big on the outside diameter. They don't want to give a good quality press fit. Sometimes they're too small and they just fit too loose to the bore. When that happens, you can actually spin the bushing in the housing. It can grab components, it can create metal debris. So these offshore bushings, unfortunately, have been a real problem in the industry. As far as tolerances go, between the shafts and hubs and the ID of the bushing, again, we've seen deadly consistency with the Dura-Bond products. They hold tolerance and clearances are right on the money, right out of the box. A lot of times with these offshore bushings, you have to do some finish work to the ID of the bushing or to the shaft or the hub to get your clearance established correctly. A lot of the bushings are even just sold as a finish in place type of deal, where it's on the builder to fit every bushing to size. And that's really just a profit margin killer for a builder. You're wasting a lot of time in a build that you don't need to be wasting, when you could spend a little bit more money, get a premium one-piece bushing made in the USA with premium coatings, presses right the first time, clearances are right the first time, and it outperforms any other bushing on the market. So we've been working with the guys over at Dura-Bond on expanding these product offerings and giving our 2 cents on what is needed, what isn't needed. And we're really excited to continue working with them in the future to see even more product development happen in their individual bushings and their complete kits. So you can source these bushings from a variety of transmission parts suppliers, including Hughes Performance. Like I said earlier, we do include these where they're available in our complete master overhaul kits for a variety of different transmissions, and we put them in our transmission builds wherever a bushing is available from Dura-Bond. It's been a great relationship for us. So I can't say enough good things about the company and the people that are behind the company. They're all passionate about what they do, and they all are very concerned with providing only the highest quality components that money can buy. So we appreciate you tuning into this episode. Be sure to click on that subscribe button, like and share our videos. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. We're uploading new daily content. And if you're a do-it-yourselfer or you're interested in sourcing Dura-Bond bushings, make sure you give the guys over there a call. They're looking for more performance-oriented distributors, and they're just a fantastic company to work with. Thank you.